Hey, welcome back to the channel where we're exploring the world on foot and unlocking more freedom for ourselves one step at a time. Today we're here in Devrent Valley in Cappadocia, also known as Imagination Valley. It started to rain, but that's not going to put a damper on our exploration here. In fact, it only adds to the atmosphere. I've made my way to the top. We're going to make our way down. Not much commentary needed here. Just take in the spectacular beauty. I was noticing the lines here that someone's carved into the limestone. I don't know how many years ago, how many centuries ago, but if you follow the line far enough on this side, you see it leads to a cave. Right at the end, you see the line go all the way. You see that cave there right at the end. It's just incredible, these structures that are naturally made creates this otherworldly landscape. It's nice to have the freedom to take your time, go explore. As you can see, there's so many different routes to take, so many different paths calling your name. Some of the tour groups, they stop in the front and you see them snapping a few photos and then they move on. It's really not my favorite type of travel, to say the least. Place is definitely aptly named Imagination Valley. It does get your imagination going, your curiosity, your sense of your need for exploration. A place like this checks all the boxes. And it's nice to have it all to ourselves as well. And that's where I parked, right down there. So we'll go check out this structure here from the other side. You can make out some type of animal. It does look a lot like a camel to me. Tell me what you think. Here's where the tour groups stop to take pictures. Shoes get a little dirty in there, especially when it's raining, but hey, super cool. What an incredible place to walk. Hi.
Hi.